Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open the Lexus NX hood. Locate the interior hood release lever on the driver's side kick panel and pull it firmly toward you. Walk to the front, feel under the center of the hood for the safety catch, then push or lift it to free the hood. Always use the prop rod or confirm gas struts hold the hood before letting go, keeping hands and tools clear. If the hood stays stuck, start calmly and inspect the release cable visually for kinks or detachment. Try a light spray of penetrating oil on the latch and work it with gentle taps to free corrosion. Have a friend pull the interior lever while you manipulate the external latch to reduce tension. If the cable is broken or the latch refuses to budge, plan professional service to avoid causing more damage. Safety matters when you open the hood, so shut off the engine and set the parking brake before you start. Use gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and hot parts while checking fluids or belts. Make a habit of cleaning the latch area and applying light lubricant to hinges to prevent sticking and costly repairs. These simple steps keep your Lexus NX reliable and reduce surprises during routine checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.